Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So recently I created a Telegram channel. What I do on my Telegram channel is, if you have any question regarding this video in particular or any of the other videos on my channel, you can just join the group link to the channel, and then you can ask your questions. And if you're someone any videos made exclusively for you on this channel, you can just drop the topic of the video in the group, and I'm going to be making a video for you on this channel as quickly as possible. So get right into this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online in 2021. Now, if you think I am going to be introducing a scam platform telling you to register using a referral link and then just put a small amount of money on the website and it's going to make you millions within a week or a month, then I strongly advise you actually cancel this video and you just leave, because I'm not going to be doing that today. So I'm going to be rephrasing the title of this video. Today I am going to be showing you how you can make money online while working, because you actually have to work to make money. It's kind of easy, but you actually have to put in a little work before you start making money. So today in this video, like I said before, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online while working, and what I'm going to be introducing to you in this video is called freelancing. Now, some of you might have heard this term before, and some of you might have actually tried freelancing and it wasn't working for you. Yes, it wasn't working for me before until I actually found the secrets to freelancing. So freelancing is actually when you just work by yourself. You do a service for clients online. You don't have a boss and you don't work under a company. You just work for yourself, for other people. So whether you love writing, you're a graphics designer, you can develop websites, or you're a teacher and you can teach very well and you feel like you can take up teaching online as a job, or maybe you're a good photographer and you want to convert your talents to money. There are also literally hundreds of other things you can do as a freelancer. If you are versatile in those kind of things, then this video is for you and you're going to be making money online in the shortest time possible. So there are a lot of websites out there that allow you to register as a freelancer, but today I am going to be talking about just one. That's the platform I use, and I feel like that's the best platform out there, and this platform is called Upwork. So I'm just going to be clicking the tab right now. Oh, okay, this is my earnings for yesterday. I did a job yesterday. I wrote an article of less than 500 words for someone, and I was paid the sum of $20. You can see that's still pending. The money is going to be available in the next 5 days. So you can see that Upwork actually pays. So this is $15 for the job. Upwork is going to take a service fee of $3, and then I'm giving a bonus of $5, and they're gonna take another transaction fee of $1. So altogether I'm gonna be getting $16 from just one article of less than 500 words. So this is what the Upwork dashboard looks like. Yeah, this is what the Upwork dashboards look like. If you want to sign up to Upwork, I am going to put in a link in the description, which can sign up right now. So you can pause this video, you can sign up, and then you can come back to the video. You can just watch the video to the end, and then you can go on to create your profile, because I am going to be going deep into all you need to do to set up a successful Upwork account. So I'm also going to put in a link in the description, which can download Upwork on Play Store and on the Apple App Store too. So the first thing you need to do once you create an Upwork account is for you to create a very attractive profile. I researched and I found out Rachel's profile. This is Rachel's profile. This is an example of a professional profile. So you don't just sign up and then just start scoring jobs on Upwork. What you need to do first is create an attractive profile, because when an employer when you submit a proposal for a job, and then an employer is going to be sent is going to be giving your profile. So when he checks your profile, that's actually his first impression of you. So your profile has to be very, very professional. So the first thing you do is you put your full name. You are not really allowed to use usernames, so you have to use your real name. You put a professional picture, and then you write a good bio. You can see Rachel's bio right here. This is an example of a professional bio. It doesn't have to be this long, but you have to try to explain exactly what you do and why they should employ you in very short sentences, and make sure it's very, very professional. I'm going to be putting a link in the description. What you're gonna see when you click on the link is you are gonna see some examples of professional bios like this that you can use as inspiration to create your own bio, so you can do that. And then the next thing you do is yeah, on your portfolio right here, if you're like Rachel is a graphic designer, so she has this graphic design she has done. So you, on your portfolio right here, what you do is you put some of your best work, you put your samples here, and then when employers see this, the better your portfolio, the better they want to actually employ you. So if you are a very good writer, then you put some of your best articles in your portfolio. You're a graphic designer, you put this like this, you can put your best graphics work. If you're a web designer, you can put maybe the screenshots of some of the best websites you've designed right there on the profile. And then next thing you see is the skills here. You can see the skills right here. In the skills here, I advise that you put as many skills as possible. You can see Rachel right here puts up to 10 skills on her profile. Or maybe you're an article writer, then you can put article writer, you can put copywriter, you can put writer, you can put proofreading. You can just put a lot of skills on your profile. Make sure you put a lot of skills. I advise you put between 10 to 15 skills, so that employers will know that you are very, very versatile, and you know you are very, very learned in the field. And then the next thing you need to do on your profile is on your certifications. Now a lot of people actually don't do this, they skip the certifications, but I feel this is very, very important. So certifications is online. You do some you do an exam on, maybe a graphics designer like Rachel right here, you're a graphics designer, then maybe you go to emarketinginstitute.com, or maybe you go to Google, or you go to udemy.com, and then you answer questions, like you take an exam, and then when you pass the exam you're given a certificate, and then you can drop that certificate on your Upwork profile. So I'm going to be putting those 3 links in the description: udemy.com, emarketinginstitute.com, and some Google certificates that you can get, and then you can add to your profile. Those are very, very important, because if I am an employer and then I see that you're learned in what you can do, you already have your certificates, then I'll have this higher rates of actually employing you. So it's very, very good for you to have certificates. So I'll advise that you can just read for the exam maybe within the span of 1 week, or if you are very good at what you do already, then the exam should be a workaround. You should be you should easily be able to get the certificate. So after adding your certificate, then there's your employment history, and Rachel actually didn't put some other skills under the employment history. You can put some other skills you have, like if you're an article writer, you can write that you're also good at SEO, you know, search engine optimization. If you're a graphic designer, you can put that you're very learned using Canva and maybe some other softwares, maybe Photoshop, you know, and some other softwares. Now I have actually covered the whole thing about creating your profile. So that's the first thing you have to do: create a very, very good profile. Now the second thing you do is learning how to write very good proposals. So for the sake of this video, I have come over here. This is what the Upwork dashboard looks like I said before. When you want to apply for jobs, you go to find work, then click on best matches. Your feed doesn't actually have jobs that are tailored for you, but when you click on best matches, then you are shown jobs that are actually, you know, very relatable with you. So this is a job right here, and I'm just going to be clicking on that job, and I'm going to be showing you what a professional this thing proposal look like. When you're here, you can see what the employer needs. He has a fixed price of $5, and then you actually have to read this whole thing. Some employers put, okay, to begin your proposal with "I got it." So I know you read the requirements, so you actually have to read the requirements. If the employer does not see "I got it" in your proposal, then it's gonna know you didn't read this and you just sent probably a copy and paste proposal, and then you just want to get the job like that. So you should read what the employer has written right here before you actually submit your proposal. So when I'm submitting my proposal, I need to put "I got it." So now I am just going to be clicking on submit the proposal. I'm going to be submitting a proposal for this job. It's a job for $5. It's a writing gig. So when you click on submit the proposal, you are going to be shown this. We're just going to wait for that to load really quick. Okay, this is what it looks like. So the project length is 1 to 3 months, meaning you're going to be working for this person probably between 1 to 3 months. It's not a one-off job. You're going to have this recurring writing. I am a writer, and the rate for this job is $5, and Upwork are going to take a fee of $1, and they are going to receive $4 at the end of this project. So how long will this project take? I'm just going to click 1 to 3 months, and then over here in my cover letter, that's where you explain yourself and you explain why you're a strong candidate for the job. I'm just going to be pasting this. I already wrote a proposal, and this is what a professional proposal look like. You can just pause the video right here and you can just read this. It's very, very simple, and I've used this same proposal to get a lot of jobs. So he said you should add "I got it" to your proposal, so you can just put that before you start. So that's it, and then you're gonna be asked why you applied for this job. You're gonna put why you think you are a very good candidate for the job and why you applied for it, and then why do you think you are a very good fit for this particular project. This is where you put your other skills, like, okay, since I'm an article writer, I'm gonna write that I'm very good in SEO. I am also good in social media advertising. I am gonna advertise your article to get to more people. I have a lot of followers on social media, and I'm going to be promoting your article for you. So that's why I'm a very good fit for this project. Then in your attachment right here, if you're a writer, then you probably write for a website already, or you have your own website, or you have some offline articles which you have written before. Then you can just upload those right here. I have a lot of articles that I wrote offline, so whenever an employer asks for this, I just click on upload. I put some of the articles I've written before, and then I submit my proposal. So basically that's kind of all for this video. That's all you need to do to start a very, very, very successful Upwork career. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, again, hit the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to drop a comment if you like this video, and don't forget to like the video too. And if you have any problems with your Upwork account, maybe during the creation, or you're not actually making progress while using Upwork, you can just join my telegram group, ask your questions, and then we're going to be interacting. I'm going to be going with you on your journey to having a very successful Upwork career. Thank you all for watching this video.